Zoo celebrates elephant birthday. A zoo celebrated a special birthday on April 5th. The zoo is in San Antonio, Texas. The birthday was for an elephant at the zoo. The elephant is named Lucky. Lucky is 60 years old. The zoo celebrated Lucky's birthday on Facebook. People watched Lucky and 2 other elephants. The elephants ate a special birthday cake. The cake was made with vegetables and fruits. People wished Lucky a happy birthday. What is Lucky? Bear, elephant, giraffe.
Elephant.
How many years old is Lucky? 60, 25, 10.
60.
Where is the zoo that celebrated Lucky's birthday? Lexington, Kentucky, San Antonio, Texas, Hartford, Connecticut.
San Antonio, Texas.